Hello everyone. In today's tutorial video, we would be seeing how we can create pools and what are pools. Pools are basically something which are basically the categorization of your players into different categories. So, for example, if you are playing or hosting a cricket tournament, your pools could be something like batsmen, bowlers, wicket keepers, and all rounders. For a football tournament, it could be something like goalkeepers, forwards, midfielders, defenders, something like that. Or it could even be something as quirky and as useful as icon players, legends, rising stars, rookies, and something like that. So it could be anything in the way you want to separate out your players, or it could be something even like be a separation based on genders, like male, female, and then children's for some community level tournaments as well. So play pools could be anything you like. It is just for your management of players, management of their pools, management of their base price, and clean management of them at the time of auction. So basically, you when you go into the auction, you would be asked to select a pool, and once the pool is started, all the players of that pool needs to be completed one by one in a random order selected by the system. And once that pool is completed, then only you can move to the next set of pool or next set of players. So, for example, if you say the star players are in pool, and the players who are just rookies or do are something like very new to the game are in another pool. So basically, star players can have more bid amount, so they can go into the auction first, and then the rookie players can go at the later phase of the auction. So this is how you can manage the pools. So for example, if you want to create a pool, you just need when you reach this page, just to give a brief overview, you can reach to this page from tournaments, my tournaments. As an admin, you can go and do a create pool. You can create as many pools as you want. There is no limitation on that part. It is just for your uh, understanding and segregation of data and players, to be precise, which can help you create the enrollments and create the pools. So I am selecting star players. I can now select their base price. So any player which is added to this pool would basically have the same base price of X amount. Now, since we have in earlier video created 10 crore as a total budget, I am saying that all the star players would start with 50 lakhs as their base price. Here, this is an important and critical item which can be helpful in selling the unsold players. For example, a star player goes unsold, then his amount in current situation would reduce by 50%. So if a player who goes unsold, from 50 lakh, his base price would go to 25 lakh in the next set of pool. Also note that every player which goes unsold would automatically be added to the same pool with an initial of round 2. So for star players, if a player ABC goes unsold, it would be star players round 2 where that player would be moved. So if you want, you can discount that. If you don't want to discount, you can keep the same. Then obviously the player has to be sold at 50 lakhs only. But if you want, you can even discount that price to 50%. So the player who was available at 50 lakhs now would be available to in auction at 25 lakhs in the next round whenever it comes up. For now, we are keeping it to 50% discount. And then you can just do an add pool, and the pool is added. Now I can add one more pool. Let's say rookie players. Now rookies are basically someone who are very new to the game. I will say they would be available from 1 lakh. I am just keeping all the things same. Now if you want discount by keep same, I will keep same. That is all okay. You can have different configurations for different pools, and this is done. Now let's say we are creating one more pool, which is basically for regular players. I am saying they would be available at 10 lakh. So this is how we can create pools. Now this pools would be actually be used whenever the players are added, to add players and assign pool to them. So if I add a player ABC, I can assign that ABC player to star players or rookies or regular players, and that way they can come into the auction based on our auction flow. If you have any questions regarding this tutorial video, please do add your comments in the comment section. If you like the video, please like or add comments on what could be improved as well. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends who are planning to do an auction, as this is the best platform you could get at free of cost. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Do hit the like button, share button, or and subscribe button for more informative tutorial videos on auctionchase.com. Thank you.